Viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to connect your TikTok apps with YouTube. I wanted to show you how to link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account. It's a great way to send people from TikTok to watch your videos on YouTube. So this way you could do a quick trailer, for example, right here on a 6-hour order video and send people over there. So what you want to do here? Go to TikTok apps. So I am in home page right now. Then click on Me option. After that you will see Edit Profile option. And when you will come Edit Profile home page, then you will see Instagram option, YouTube option. You also can connect your TikTok ID with Instagram and also can connect your TikTok account with YouTube. Then press on YouTube. Then you need to choose which Gmail you want to connect your TikTok account with YouTube. Then I chose my first Gmail. Then you need to give access. You need to press allow. After that you will see your YouTube already connected and you will get the message from Gmail. Now let's have a look. So if you click on that, your link will remove from your profile. Press cancel. If you want to go YouTube from TikTok, then press back button. On the icon of Instagram, if you click on that, then you will see your YouTube option. Then if anyone click on YouTube, then it will go your YouTube page or YouTube channel. Then you can engage your videos by TikTok apps. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to thumbs up our video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. We'll see you on the next video.